Hello, welcome. I am by name Babatunde Samuel, and today we'll be taking basic technology, and the topic we're going to be discussing is technology and society. Technology and the society. In our previous class, we discussed about the concept of technology. Being the first topic in basic technology, we have to consider the meaning of technology and the benefits of technology to mankind. So we discussed the meaning, and we said technology is the scientific knowledge that is applied, applied practically in order to make life easy, that's to bring comfort to human. And then we look at the benefits of technology, that's in various sectors, in the health sector, that's the use of stethoscope. We also discuss in the school, that's the use of computers in the school, in transportation, aeroplane, ships, and so on. So today we're going to be discussing about technology and society. So technology and the society, how this technology relates with society, how important it is to the society, the product of technology that is used now generally in the society. Because I'm very sure there's no way you go now that you won't see technology everywhere, in your home, in your school, in industries, everywhere you find yourself, you definitely see one product of technology. I'm very sure what you're using now to view me, or what you're even using to listen to me now, is a product of technology. So you can see that technology is everywhere. So we'll be looking at technology and the society. Technology and the society. Okay. So the living together of people who share the same customs, laws, has brought about the application of human knowledge in scientific ways to meet and satisfy their needs. The living together of people who share the same customs, laws, that people living in a community or people living in a particular area, has brought about the application of human knowledge in scientific ways to meet and satisfy their need. That is, now people living together now, they've brought about ideas, the scientific knowledge, putting them into practical ways to what make life easier for them, and that's the what technology. Technology is that scientific area, knowledge, the scientific knowledge that has been put into practice in order to what make life easy, to bring comfort to man. You understand? So that is what technology. Technology has improved the standard of living if the people in the society, with the use of the people in the society, sorry, with the use of some materials we can refer to as products of technology. Yes, the word technology is actually visible. It's not just a concept. It's very, very visible. Everywhere around us, we see technology. Now, these materials that we see and we call technology are what they are referred to as products of technology. Is these materials, is these gadgets that we see that enable us believe that yes, truly there's technology. Because without all these materials, like your phone, the computers, you won't believe that what there is technology. Because there's a saying that says saying is believing. And now when you discuss technology and you don't see anything or you don't see any output of technology, then definitely you are just saying nonsense. But the products of technology has actually made it real. That's what technology is real. That's why it says technology has improved the standard of living. Yes. Remember in our previous class, I told you that you should look at it in the olden days then. If for you to travel from one place to another, what do? You have to use your leg. You travel by foot, trekking, and it's what it consumes time, energy. It can take you like 2 to 3 days to travel from one place to another. But now, with the help of technology, you see that you can travel from one village to another in just hours, some minutes, via technology. Now, the materials that enable us do this or carry out these activities, that's the material now that enables travel from one village to another now, is now referred to as the what? The products of technology. Is referred to as the products of technology. So we are going to be looking at this product of technology in the home. We are going to look at the product of technology in school, and also we are going to look at the product of technology in the industry, because these three places are very, very important in our day-to-day activities, like in our daily life, everywhere in the society. Your home is very important, the school is very important, and industries are very important. So we're going to be looking at the product of technology in these places. Now, at home, what are the products of technology you find at home? Like what materials you find at home that are what? Technological materials. So the product of technology found at home include television. Yes, television. We watch TV daily. If you want to watch your football match, watch your favorite programs, you watch them what? Using television. Now television has made it possible for us to view things happening in other countries, things that are not even happening in like physically where we are, but we are able to view them what via the help of what television. So we're talking about the products of technology found in the schools. Products of technology found in the schools. We have the magnetic marker board. If you know, then those days or previously, and I'm very sure most schools still use it. They use blackboard, and for you to write on a blackboard, you use a chalk. Now you notice that when you want to clean this chalk off, the particles of this chalk will be scattered in the air, and when you inhale these particles of the chalk, it goes into your system, most especially the lungs, and it causes disease, like it affects the lungs. So it has been discovered that this is usually, and this is harmful to our health. So the invention of magnetic board now has helped to reduce this hazard. And this magnetic marker board is a product of technology. Also, we have the calculator. You know that the calculator has very, very great importance, most especially in serious calculations, most especially in our mathematics. When you want to calculate like thick mathematical questions that need vigorous solutions, you use your calculator instead of using your head to calculate large figures. The calculator is there to help us what solve these problems. Now, water dispenser also. Sometimes you might just need hot water urgently. Sometimes cold water urgently. Now, this water dispenser is there to what? To give you the water in the temperature at which you want it, either hot or cold. And it's a product of technology. Now, the computer also is there. Computer is very important. Like me and you now, we are discussing via what? Via computer. So computer is is a very, very important product of technology that has been used or is being used generally in different aspects. You use computer in different aspects. Likewise, in the schools, you use computer for online teaching, online lectures. Then wind balance. Wind balance, you find this mostly in the lab. That's used for taking the weight of different substances, used for taking the mass of different objects, used to compare masses. So all these are products of technology found in the school. Now we're going to the products of technology found in industry. And I believe we understand what industry means. That is a place where work is being done, like where things are being made. Examples of industries include you have your cement industry, you can have an industry where you produce cars, industry where they produce automobiles. All these industries, they require what? Products of technology to function in this industry. An example of the product of technology you can find in these industries include the air conditioner. Yes, sometimes the workers in an industry might be feeling hot or the environment might not be conducive for working. This air conditioner is there to what? To reduce the temperature of the environment. Likewise, the telephone, it aids communication in an industry. Maybe someone in an office now wants to communicate with someone in another office. Instead of wasting his time going to the other office, he just it communicates through the telephone. Now, forklift truck. This is a vehicle used for carrying heavy loads. It's used to carry heavy loads, especially in industries that deals with maybe the casting of metals or production of metals. They require this to carry heavy loads. Then for the copy machines, you find this one mostly in cyber cafe. It's also an industry. But the copy machines are used to do what? That's to replicate, to copy an original document. Then the computer also. See, computer is also appearing here. So computer, obviously, you find computer everywhere. Computer as a product of technology, you find it everywhere. And with this, we've come to the end of today's class. Now your assignment is list two products of technology, each found at home, school, and industry. Two products of technology found at home, school, and industry. You list them each for me. So let's just do a brief recap. We talk about the what technology and society, how important this technology is to humans, how it has helped us, how it has made our life more comfortable. And we say technology has done this via what materials we call the products of technology. And we mentioned the products of technology found at home. We say the television, the radio, the CD player, the wall clock, electric bulb. Those found at school, we say the magnetic marker board, calculator, water dispenser, computer, wind balance. And then those found in the industry, we say the air conditioner, telephone, forklift truck, photocopy machines, and computer. Then I don't forget I give you an assignment that you should list the two products of technology found at home, school, and industry. So thank you for being part of this lecture. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to join us for more of these lectures, and also try to follow up with these lectures because you know this is just the beginning of basic technology. Initially, we talked about the concept of technology. Now we discussed technology and society. So more are coming your way on basic technology. Do not forget to follow. Thank you very much.